Hi folks, I wanted to introduce you to Teacher Dashboard and how you can get yourselves logged in. First off, it's not uncommon for us to be logged into our regular Gmail accounts, and if so, it makes a lot of sense to start a separate browser so that you can log into Teacher Dashboard with a different Google account and still be able to go back and forth. But it's preferable to be logged in on separate browsers. So in this case, I'm using Firefox for my regular Google account, and so I'm just going to choose Safari, but you could choose Google Chrome or something else. Once I'm in my second browser, I want to go to this address, and I'll share it with you on a piece of paper so you can remember it. But the first thing you want to do is create a bookmark on your toolbar so that you can get back to it easily. You can rename the bookmark if you like. We can help you with that. But once you're there, and you visit the address, it'll take you to a Google login screen. And I'm just going to use Amy's address here, since she has not logged in yet. And it's first initial, last name at middlegrades.collaborative.net. And the password for all of us is MGI Faculty 2014, and sign in. The first thing you get is an account confirmation page, and just click I accept, continue to my account, and it will force you to change your password. I'm going to change it to another password. Change it to something you know and that you can easily remember. And the next step is to confirm that Teacher Dashboard is going to associate with this particular account. It's not uncommon to have your other Gmail account come up, but make sure that you're affiliating with this new middlegradecollaborative.net account. And then click, and I like to say, remember the approval for the next 30 days, and that'll keep it from being annoying throughout the week, and click allow. And here you are in Teacher Dashboard. And this is how you get to your classes. So all of us are enrolled as facilitators in each of the classes, but you obviously need to concern yourself only with your own strand. The entire institute is enrolled in MGI 2014-1 in case you, for some reason, want to see the whole population. But let's just start with Brain-Based as an example. So here's Brain-Based, and I can see all the students in my class, and notice that right now it's set to default to show 3 documents, but I could change that setting to be 5 documents or 15, which means that in each student you would see 15 documents. Notice you can scroll over to get an idea of what the document looks like, and if the document has been edited, it would show up with a little flag indicating that it's been edited. If you wanted to go to the students folder, you can open it by clicking on this. And if you wanted to see their sites, you can click here. And notice that only Brianna Brain has shown any activity on her site, but if you were to click on that, it would take you right to her Google site. Notice she has the old version of the site rather than the new one that you'll see. Notice one other thing, and that is that you can create groups, and this might come in handy for creating PLP groups within your strand, for instance. If I click on this, I can assign Addie Adolescent to the red group, for instance. And then over here, I could choose to sort just by that group. Now, in a separate tab, just so you know, if I then go to google.com, you'll see that I'm logged in to Google Drive or Google Apps with this new name automatically. So that happened by virtue of my initial login. That also means that I have access to the regular Google Apps, including Mail, Drive. So if I want to view my world from the perspective of Drive, I can do that. And Sites, but most importantly, Calendar. So it's here, and you can reject all these stupid prompts. So it's here that I can control my calendars, which are all the calendars, my personal one, but then all the calendars associated with the Institute. I can turn those on and off, and if I wanted to work with Brain-Based, it's the red one, and I could choose to change one of the calendar entries if I wanted to change the name of it, or I could drag and drop and change the location of it. That's your introduction to Teacher Dashboard and your new Google Drive account. Thanks.